How to change the name of a Bluetooth device on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. In here, go down and tap on the name of the Bluetooth device that you would like to change. So here I will tap on the information button for David's Beats Studio. At the top here, tap on name, and then you can make the change. So here, David's Beats Studio Max, then tap on done, then tap on back key. And that is how you can change a Bluetooth device name. So here I will change it back, and then tap on done. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.